Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by parking the 2005 Toyota Camry on level ground, engage the parking brake, and let the engine cool for at least 30 minutes before starting. Always disconnect the negative battery terminal and tuck the cable away to prevent accidental shorts when you touch metal. Use safety gloves and eye protection. Gather tools: 10 mm, 12 mm, and 14 mm sockets, a ratchet with a 6-inch extension, a 3/8-inch breaker, a jack and 2 jack stands, and your replacement starter labeled for 2005 Camry models. Begin removal by taking off the air intake assembly and any heat shields that obstruct the starter. This usually takes 5 to 10 minutes. Locate the starter at the bell housing near the transmission. Disconnect the electrical connectors by unplugging the small signal connector and loosening the 12 mm nut that secures the heavy positive cable. Support the starter with one hand and remove the two 14 mm mounting bolts. They can be tight, so use a short extension and breaker for leverage. Slide the starter out carefully, noting its orientation for reinstallation. Install the new starter by positioning it in the exact same orientation as the old one and hand-threading the two 14 mm mounting bolts to hold it in place. Tighten the bolts evenly with a ratchet and torque them to 35 ft-lb if you have a torque wrench. Otherwise, tighten securely without over-torquing. Reattach the heavy positive cable under the 12 mm nut and plug in the small signal connector. Reinstall intake and shields. Reconnect the negative battery terminal. Then start the engine and listen for proper engagement and any unusual noises.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.